How many electrons does it take to make 800 microcoulombs of charge? First, we have to write everything, whatever is given. We have given charge 800 microcoulombs. We're supposed to find number of electrons which are going to produce this charge. This is the formula which I'm going to use. Charge is equal number of electrons divided by 6.25 times 10 to 18 electrons per coulomb. This number is telling me how many electrons we have in one coulomb. In order to find number of electrons, I'm supposed to solve this formula for number of electrons. Q equals number of electrons over 6.25 times 10 to 18 electrons per coulomb. I have to solve this formula for number of electrons. What I'm supposed to do? I have to multiply both sides of the equation by the denominator because I want to eliminate the fraction. So I'm going to multiply both sides by 6.25 times 10 to 18 electrons per coulomb. And the same I'm going to do over here. 6.25 times 10 to 18 electrons per coulomb. Denominator is going to cancel out, and I'm going to have number of electrons is equal Q times 6.25 times 10 to 18 electrons per coulomb. This is my formula, and right now I'm supposed to replace Q by 800 microcoulombs. So number of electrons is equal 800 microcoulombs times 6.25 times 10 to 18 electrons per coulomb. Remember, coulomb and coulomb will cancel out, and I'm going to simply multiply 800 microcoulombs times 6.25 times 10 to the 18. So my answer is going to be equal 5 times 10 to 15 electrons. It means that this amount of electrons is going to give me charge 800 microcoulombs, and this is the solution to my problem.